Iron Maiden and Run to the Hills. Time now for our first visit to my 80s. The other way round this week, Dido is going to be in the next hour. So let's hear right now from Kevin Toes in Marsh Gibbon in Oxfordshire.
My 80s.
Hi Gary, I'm Kevin. Well, this is my 80s. So my first choice is Too Much Too Young from the Specials. I've got an older brother and he introduced me to a lot of music in the 80s, some good and frankly some a little bit dodgy. However, this is definitely on the good pile. Two Tone was riding high in the charts at the time and the Specials, well, they were at the forefront of this style of music. I love the energy of the band and I love their, well, quite frankly, sometimes hilarious lyrics. A good example from this song is Ain't He Cute? No he ain't. He's just another burden on the welfare state.
You've done too much too young. You're married with a kid when you could be having fun with it. Don't do it no more, baby.
My second choice is Brilliant Mind by Furniture. Now, as a teenager in the 80s, I secretly wanted to be in a John Hughes movie. I wanted to win over that fantastic looking girl that was slightly socially awkward and a bit of an outcast. But nobody ever realised she was fantastic until the very end of the film. Alas, it wasn't to be, but of those movies, my very favourite is Some Kind of Wonderful, mainly because of the soundtrack, but also because of this great song.
You must be out of your brilliant mind. You must be out of your brilliant mind.
My third choice is Louise from the Human League. Now, I had my first real girlfriend in the 80s, Gary. After going to uni, it didn't quite survive the long distance relationship test, and so we broke up. For a couple of years after that, I still held a torch for her, but we never met again. However, had we met, this is how I would have wanted it to go.
Hello, Louise. Remember me. Now should we part or stay a while, as if we were still lovers?
So my ultimate 80s song is Fool's Gold by the Stone Roses. Towards the end of the 80s, it all got a little bit housey. And to be honest, house music wasn't really my bag. But this song got me back out onto the dance floor, even if it was only just, well, to stare at my shoes. This was a perfect mix of rhythms, guitar and great vocals from a group that, frankly, provided the best album that you could have asked for to end the 80s.
is this song, yeah? Thank you, Kevin Toes. Great choice of music. Specials, Too Much, Too Young. Furniture, Brilliant Mind, Human League, Louise. And his all-time favourite 80s track, Stone Roses and Fool's Gold. And if you want to be on my 80s on a future week, then all you got to do is email me, gary.davis@bbc.co.uk. Let me know what your 4 favourite songs of the 80s are, and one of them has to be your all-time favourite.
Sport on Sounds.
Back for